Okay. Mr. Sarthak, question number 6. Write is equal to or not is equal to in the boxes given below. So what is the answer for A part?
So just a second and turn.
Mr. Satya, first part,
Equal to.
equal to. So 2 4 the 8, 4 4 the 16. So this will be equal to. Mr. Satya, B part,
Not equal to.
not equal to. Okay, correct. Mr. Sarthak, C part,
Not equal to.
not equal to. Shabash. Mr. Sarthak, D part, so Mr. Satya, this will be 3 by 5 is equal to
Equal
3 by
to.
5. Equal to. Yeah. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Write 3 equivalent ratios for the following. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, 5 by 2. What will be the 3 equivalent ratios?
So 10:4,
Okay.
then 15:6, and 20:8.
Okay. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Great, sir. So all you need to do is write the equivalent fractions. If you know how to write equivalent
Yeah.
fractions, we have discussed this in detail. Just write the
Yeah,
equivalent
sir.
fractions. Just write the
I
equivalent.
understood. I did it also, sir.
Yeah. So just write the equivalent fractions and you will have the equivalent ratios also. Okay. So Satya, what is the equivalent ratio for 7:8?
14:16, 21:24, and 28:32.
So 7 to the 14 to the 8 to the 16 to the
So 30.
or 28 to the 56 and 32 to the 64. The simplest way to write the equivalent ratios is, this is the simplest way. 7 by 8 is equal to 70 by 80 is equal to 700 by 800 is equal to 7,000 by 8,000. This is the simplest way. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, nice. So this is how to write equivalent ratios. Okay. Next part is ratios equivalent. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, A part.
So 4.
So 4. How do I write this? I put a x here, then I cross multiply. This is cross multiplication. So 4 into x is equal to 2 into 8. Therefore, x is equal to 2 into 8 upon 4. 4 to the x is equal to 4. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, did you get the same answer? Question.
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, Mr. Satya, what is the answer for this?
4.
4. How did you find 4?
Sir, I didn't do in that method, but I did it different. I took 4/6 on the left side, and then I did like 6 words are 24. So then I multiplied the same number with 4 also.
Okay. If you are following that method, then 6 into 4 is 24. Therefore, 4 into 4 would be equal to 16. Mr. Satya, any doubt or not?
No, sir.
And the cross multiplication method is 6 into x is equal to 4 into 24. Therefore, x is equal to 4 into 24 by 6. 6 4 by 24 is 16. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Great, sir. Mr. Sarthak, C part.
So 2.
Okay. So 6 into 10 is 60. Therefore, something into 10 should be 20. And that something is 2. Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes.
Mr. Satya, what is the answer for D?
So 1 second. Sir, you only had circle till C, right? So I didn't do the D part.
Okay. So 5 into 9 is 45. Therefore, 9 into 9 is 81. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
So
Great, sir. Okay. So, Mr. Sarthak, you were able to do question number 10?
yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me how to do this?
So we had to do it with statements, right?
Okay. What is your answer?
So my answer is 14 is to 17.
Okay. So, Seema has 350 postal stamps. Sneha has 425 postal stamps. All I need to find is the ratio. For finding the ratio, I'll divide 350 by 425. I'll start cancelling. Easy way to cancel is 5 7 the 0 the 5 8 the 5 5 the. Again I can cancel by 5 5 1 the 5 4 the 5 1 the 7 the. Is it okay? 14 by 17 is the answer.
So it will be 14 is to 17, right?
Yeah, 14 is to 17. 14 is to 17 is the final answer. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No,
Great, sir. Okay. So Sarthak, 11th question.
So I got 50 is to 39.
Okay. Your length is 8 meter. Now this is my 8 meter. My breadth is 6 meter 24 centimeters. 6 meter 6 meter 6 meter 24 centimeter. Find the ratio. They both should be in centimeter. So if I convert this into centimeter, this will be 600 centimeter plus 24 centimeter. Let's go to 6 to 4 centimeter. 6 to 4 centimeter, and this will be 800 centimeter. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
no, sir.
Then all I need to do is cancel this 800 and 624. 8 6 the 48, 8 7 the 56. So I can cancel by 8. 800, 8 7 the 56, 8 8 the 64. And then I can cancel by 50. 2 3 the 9 the. So my final answer should be 50 is to 39. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes,
Okay. Mr. Satya, how to do question number 12?
sir. So I got the answer as 12 is to 30 because
Okay.
the first it is written 12 centimeter, and then the steel scale is 12 and wooden scale is 30 centimeters. So we need to write the ratio of it. So it would be 12 is to 30.
Gosh. So it will be 12 is to 30. And how do I do this?
So
12.
it can be 6 is to 15.
Okay. 1 second. So 12 is to 30. So once I cancel 6 2 the 12, 6 5 the 30 is to 5. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question 13. Question 13. Yeah. So question 13. Mr. Satya, have you done question 13?
Yes.
Okay. How to do question number 13? Can you explain?
So sir, the cost of 12 pencil is 84 and cost of 9 ink pen is 27. So we
Okay.
need to find the ratio of the pencils and the ink pen. So 1000 is 12. So it would be 12 is to 9.
Okay. So 1 dozen pencil cost 84. Therefore, 12 pencils cost 84. Is it correct?
Yes.
Therefore, 1 pencil will cost 84 by 12. Is it okay?
Yes.
So this will be 12 6 is 72, 12 7 84. So each pencil costs me ₹7. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay? Cost of 9 ink pens is 27. 9 ink pens is 27. Therefore, 1 ink pen will cost 27 upon 9 is equal to ₹3. Mr. Satya, is
Okay,
it
sir.
okay?
I didn't read the full question, I think.
Yeah? Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Because I need to find the cost of ink pen is to 1 pencil is to 1 ink pen. So cost of each pencil is 7 rupees. Cost of each ink pen is ₹3. Therefore, the final answer, Mr. Sarthak, will be
So 7:3.
7:3. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, you need to look at the question 2-3 times. What are they asking? So, for example, in this question, they are asking you find the ratio of cost of 1 pencil to the cost of 1 ink pen. So to find the value, first you need to find the value of 1 pencil, then 1 pen, and then you can go ahead and solve the question. Okay, have you guys done question 14 also?
No, sir. We didn't do 14.
Okay, can we discuss it now? Smita can perform 30 jumping jacks in 15 minutes, and Simran can perform 60 jumping jacks in 30 minutes. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. So determine the ratios and state whether the ratios are equivalent. Okay. Now Smita in 1 minute will be able to do how many jumping jacks? She will be able to do 2 jumping jacks. And Simran can do 60 jumping jacks in 30 minutes. Therefore, in 1 minute,
It
Simran
will
will
be
be
2 only, right, sir?
yeah, it will be 2 only. So both Smita as well as Simran can do the ratio to minute to time is to jumping jack. Here is 1:2 and here also is 1:2. So determine the ratios and state whether the ratios are equivalent. So both the ratios are equivalent. Any doubt about this?
No.